How to cut vinyl floor planks. You have a beautiful new floor purchased and you are installing it and you want to know how to cut these flexible things? All right, how about a cheap utility knife? Score your cut mark and then snap the piece. There might be a backer on the other side. And there you go, a nice clean cut. Let's do that one more time. Everyday utility knife, mark and score, break the piece, clean cut. You also have the option to buy that giant chop saw. Those are designed to work well for laminate floor planks as well as vinyl floor planks. Okay, that's the super easy lengthwise cut, but what about the dreaded long cut? So now you're installing your last couple pieces up against the finished wall or something like that. You have to rip up this long tile. That one's impractical to do with a handheld utility knife. It's likely going to be a very wavy cut. Now you could move on to power tools like a grinder or circular saw. Again though, I have found because it's handheld, it's not going to be a precise cut, and on your finished wall you'll see an uneven edge. Okay, if you have access to a table saw, it doesn't matter if it's a big one or small one, that is the perfect power tool to rip down the finished floor planks so you'll get a nice straight edge. Okay, so we have a 2-inch marker there on the fence. You can always come back in with a tape measure and verify that you have 2 inches of a nice clean piece. There, I'm going to adjust it just slightly. Over here, the fence is now locked down. Of course, be careful about getting your fingers near the blade. I like to use a push stick for the final little bit. Please remember to always wear eye protection. If you don't currently own a table saw, it is worth renting or borrowing one just for these final strips. You have your 2-inch precise strip. It's straight as an arrow. And you'll see I'll finish up the wall and floor installation perfectly. That's how to cut vinyl floor planking. Let me know if you have any installations coming up or if you have any questions. Hey, we'll see you next week.